Alright, you want to see what a bunch of spoiled rotten birds looks like? Huh? Bunch of spoiled rotten... What are you doing up there? Get down. You're not supposed to be up there. Why do you guys kick over your food? Did you empty it out already? You guys, that's a whole thing. And it's all over the ground, you little buggers. It's all over the place. I'm not giving you more food this evening. You guys, that's the third one in 3 days. Those should be lasting at least every other day. You know? Oh, you guys don't care. What you're caring about is what's in here, huh? Huh? Is that what you're caring about? Here you go, Daisy. Here you go. Who's gonna take it? Oh no! Oh, you guys are terrible. Who's ready? Who's ready? Oh, you got lettuce and oats and sunflowers. Oh, look at all that wonderful food. You guys are gonna... Actually, there's still food in it. Why do you guys keep knocking your stuff over? You guys gotta push in there. Get it. There you go, Daisy. Oh, is that good? See, that's the real trick. Give them lettuce and green. That's what they want. All the stuff there. We have lettuce. They have... Actually, what's really kind of odd is if you watch them, they tend to want to eat the fresh lettuce over the store-bought lettuce. They'll pick the fresh lettuce leaves before they pick the store-bought lettuce leaves. And they take lettuce over seeds and seeds over the egg and egg over the feed. So, there you go, little spoiled chickens.